CSS, or cascading style sheets, plays a crucial role in the world of web development. Imagine browsing the internet and stumbling upon a website that looks plain and unattractive with no proper organization or visual appeal. CSS is the magic behind transforming a dull web page into an eye-catching, well-structured masterpiece. By using CSS, web developers can unleash their creativity and bring life to a website. With CSS, developers have the power to control the layout, colors, fonts, and overall design of a web page. They can easily modify the appearance of multiple web pages at once by applying style sheets, saving time and effort in the process. One of the main advantages of CSS is its ability to make a website responsive. In today's mobile-centric world, it is crucial for websites to adapt and look good across different devices and screen sizes. CSS enables developers to create flexible and responsive designs that adjust seamlessly to various viewing platforms, including smartphones, tablets, and desktops. Additionally, CSS helps improve the accessibility and usability of a website. Developers can use CSS to enhance the user experience by applying consistent styles and layouts throughout the site. It allows for easier navigation and readability, making it convenient for visitors to find the information they are looking for. Another significant benefit of CSS is its ability to optimize the loading time of web pages. By separating the content from the presentation layer, CSS reduces the file size of HTML documents, resulting in faster loading speeds. This is particularly important as slow loading times can lead to high bounce rates and deter users from visiting a website again. In conclusion, CSS is a fundamental tool in web development. Its versatility and power allow developers to create visually appealing, responsive, and user-friendly websites. With CSS, websites can leave a lasting impression on visitors, ensuring a positive user experience and driving engagement.